Total win, 75 bucks. Pretty good.
Yep.
I'm not,
Get that down.
oh, but look at her there. It's only a small peewee one. Unbelievable.
Oh, it's all right. I finish here now.
No, keep on.
I got
Oh.
90.
What, 10? You might get a back-to-back.
Hake, e mene e ni. Mai hifu, nei e ni longa.
No. Okay. Promising. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's a good one. That's a big hit. Oh my God.
Just say that.
That's good. That's good. Now,
20 times. Look, here it is. It's already showing how much it is. Watch. You see it? I don't know if I had.
15 bucks.
Yeah.
Not
You
bad.
see, it really shows.
It's good. It's good. This is combo.
See?
Mum is trying to hit
13.50.
the fortune of 104,000.
It's already there. That's your day.
And she's still collecting. And she's still collecting.
Yeah. All day. That's it.
Well, cashing out time. How much did you spend? Spend another 20. See if you get any more.
No, that's
Spend
it.
another 20 bucks. I don't know. Take it up to $1.
It's 88 cents the highest bet.
Is it?
Yeah. But if I go here, that's double. Like this.
Never know, Eli. Just 20 cents. 20 bucks worth. See if anything pays out. Oh, yes. Look at that. Hallelujah. Oh, my God.
$18, look.
Oh, you back up again anyway.
$18, see? It really shows you what you're going to win.
Now, got 7 bucks there to spend. Now you better casino, of course.
That's it.